Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the impressive features of the ZINUS Justin 14-inch easy-to-assemble mattress foundation, a sturdy and durable steel support system that combines unbeatable strength with a sleek, minimalist design. This foundation boasts recessed legs on the front and can support up to 750 pounds for twin sizes and an incredible 1,500 pounds for all other sizes, ensuring your mattress is well supported without the need for a box spring. Perfect for any memory foam, latex, or spring mattress, it offers optimal support with its thoughtfully designed slats. The ZINUS Justin is not just about strength, it also provides 13 inches of underbed space, making it an ideal choice for small spaces. Assembly is a breeze, with all tools, parts, and instructions conveniently packed into one easy-to-move box, allowing you to set it up in less than an hour. Plus, you can enjoy peace of mind with a 5-year limited warranty included. Remember, the mattress is sold separately, but with the ZINUS Justin Foundation, you're investing in functionality and style that lasts. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.